Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Ravenswatch FPS drop, shuttering, freezing problem or the crashing problem. So here are some solutions that players have found to work. Now the first solution is update graphic drivers. Outdated or corporate graphic drivers are one of the primary reason for performance issues. For NVIDIA use GeForce Experience or manually download from NVIDIA drivers. For AMD use AMD or download from AMD Sport. For Intel use the Intel driver and Sport Assistant. Once you updated your driver, simply restart your PC, then launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Now the second solution is check system requirements. Ensure your system meets or exceeds the minimum requirement. Low-end system may struggle with performance. Check both minimum or recommended requirement, especially the CPU, GPU, and RAM. Now the third solution is lower in-game graphics settings. If your system is struggling, adjust the following in-game setting resolution. Lower the game resolution, try 1080p, fire VSync, turn it off to reduce input lag. Texture quality, lower this setting to reduce strain on your GPU. For shadows and effects, set them to low or medium to improve performance. And anti-aliasing, try disabling or lowering it to reduce GPU load. Lowering this setting can significantly reduce FPS drop and shuttering. Now the next solution is disable background application. Background application can eat up resources and causing shuttering or FPS drop. Disable non-essential program. Make a right click on your taskbar, open up the task manager. Guys, here just close all unnecessary background application, then go to the startups. Now here just disable all of these. Because when you start your PC, these applications start automatically without your permission and causing a lot of CPU or RAM usage without your permission and causing your game FPS drop or the setting problem. So just disable these all which are unnecessary. The next setting is adjust power settings. So go to the Windows search and just type here the control panel and simply open it. Now here just click on the power option you are seeing here, then just click on the option of create a power plan, then just select here the high performance, then click on the next, then just create it. Guys, once you create the high performance power plan, now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Now the next solution is check for game update and Windows update. Sometimes the developer releases patches addressing optimization issues. Make sure game is updated to the latest version via Steam or your gaming platform. Go to the Windows search and just type here the updates and open it. Now here just click on the option of check for update, and if there is any available update for the Windows, first update it, then launch the game, then check. Now the next solution is simply open up the Steam, click on the gear icon, go to your game properties. Now click on the start files, then click on the verify integrity of game files. It will take some time, you need to wait for it, then launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is still not fixed, the next solution is disable full screen optimization. So simply open up the Steam, go to your game properties. Now click on the start file, then click on the browse option. And here locate your game launcher or exe file of your game. So make a right click on it and you'll see the properties on the last. So just click on the properties. Now here just click on the compatibility. Now here just check these two boxes of disable full screen optimization and run the program as an administrator. Then uncheck this box of compatibility mode. Then click on apply. Now launch the game. Check your problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, then check the box of compatibility mode and choose here the Windows 8. Now launch the game. Then check problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is still not fixed, the next solution that you can try is reinstall the game. If none of the above solution work, try uninstalling and reinstalling. This can resolve underlying issues with the game installation. After all of these solutions, simply restart your PC, and I hope one of the solution fixes your problem, and if yes, please consider liking this video, and bye bye and take care.